My dear friends, in this video let us know how to save the lesson on whiteboard for the next class also, right? And remember, only you have to save one time. From the next day it will be saved automatically. And let us see, open the board. And it was the new board. For example, today you started the new class and I am writing something. I am taking the pen. I am writing just a class. And class is over. Just imagine. For example, today date something you have written. Something I have written on the board, and now the class is over. It is very easy to save the class for tomorrow. Just you see here 3 lines, and you just click on these 3 lines. You can see 5 options, and you see plus symbol, and you can see the board symbol also, plus and board. You click on it, then it will ask whether you want to save this page. Then you say yes, save, and it is saved. And see here the same options. You can see here folder option, folder, click on it, and this is the thing which we have saved now. Just now you can see class, school, and click on these 3 dots, and it will ask for rename, and you can give the name of your chance as per the lesson related to that lesson. That lesson you can give that name. I am saying new 7th lesson. 7th lesson. 7th lesson. Okay. And you see 7th lesson. Okay, this is the today's class. And later your class is over and you left. The next day you came to the class, and now how to open that? It's very easy. Next day class, next day. Click on whiteboard, and you see here 3 lines here, and click on it. You can see folder option, and click on that folder option, and you will see the savings, yesterday's savings or previous day. You can see our board is here, 7 lesson. You click on it, and today you write something. Today also homework I am writing. And now today you need not to save it. It will be automatically saved. Just you close this. That's all. Just you close this. Same. If you say new, another board came, and this was over. That's all. Let us see whether it has been saved or not. New board, 3 lines, folder symbol, 7 lesson. Let us see. Yes, it is saved. Only one time you have to save. From the next day, if you close your board, it will be automatically saved. That's all. Thank you.